Today I'm going to teach you how to complete a math assignment in the Notability app. In the upcoming weeks, Mr. Faulkner will email out an assignment that you will need to complete and email back to him. The easiest way to do this is by using Notability. When you receive his email, you need to open it in the Gmail app. So when you get to his email, you'll have a nice little PDF. You can just click on it and it should open. Now, in the lower right-hand corner, you'll see a little arrow, and when you click on that, you are given the option to open in Chrome or open in Safari, and I will open in Safari. So, it'll show up like this, and when you click on the screen, you will be given the option to open in a ton of different apps. You are going to choose the blue one with a pen, and open it in Notability. And you want to choose the top option, that is Create New Note, and you are set. Now, a few things you need to know before you start work is up on the top toolbar you have a pen option. You can click on it and choose all different types of pen, so different thickness, different type of scribble. And you can also change the color of your pen. Now you can drag both of your fingers apart from each other at the same time and zoom in on a certain problem to complete it. Or you can go to the lower right hand corner and click on the magnifying glass, and you're given a little box that you can drag and make bigger, and then whatever is highlighted in the box shows up down here. So it's a lot easier to write smaller and fit your answer in the space given. Now, Mr. Faulkner wants you to complete a question in a certain way. Each step he wants you to use a different color. So I'm going to start off in red and show you just how to complete the first problem. It might be a little different for others, but this is how I do math. 8x squared plus 5x minus 2 equals 0. So a new color, I choose purple. A equals 8, B equals 5, C equals -2. Now, as the directions say, I'm going to use the quadratic formula after I change my pen color to pink. So opposite of b plus or minus the square root, b squared minus 4 ac all over 2a. Now choose new pen color, light blue. So the opposite of 5 plus or minus the square root, it would be 25 plus 64, which is 89, all over 16. So your final answer in a nice little green color will be x equals -5 plus square root 89 over 16, and x equals -5 minus square root 89 over 16, and I am going to put that in a nice little box. So now when you exit out of the magnifying glass, you'll see that you hardly took up any of the paper, and you will be able to use this much to complete every other question, and it's just a lot more organized. So once you complete your entire assignment, you need to email it back to Mr. Faulkner. So you'll use the little arrow up in the left-hand corner, and it'll be drop down, and you get to choose a destination, which of course is email. And the format should already be set in PDF, but if not, you can just click and choose PDF, and then click on the blue button to email your note, and just type in Mr. Faulkner's email address. If you don't have his email address, you might need to look it up on the website, or better yet, get it before you go on break. I'm sure that it's already saved in your address book though, since he emails you so much. And then he will most likely tell you what you need to title it as the subject. I'm just going to do it as test video, and then you can click send and it will be good to go. So that's how Mr. Faulkner wants you to complete an assignment, and have fun with math. Yay!